Welcome to today's instructional video on simplifying expressions with positive exponents. In this video, we will be simplifying the expression 2 raised to the 4th power plus 10 squared. Stay tuned for a step-by-step solution on how to simplify this expression using only positive exponents. Let's get started. To simplify the expression 2 to the power of 4 plus 10 to the power of 2, we start by evaluating each term separately. The first term, 2 raised to the power of 4, means 2 multiplied by itself 4 times, giving us 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 16. The second term, 10 raised to the power of 2, means 10 multiplied by itself 2 times, giving us 10 times 10, which equals 100. Therefore, the expression 2 to the power of 4 plus 10 to the power of 2 is altered to 16 plus 100. In the second step, we add the two evaluated terms together. From the first step, we have 16 plus 100. Adding 16 and 100 gives us 116. Since 116 does not have any exponents and is already in its simplest form, this is the final step. Therefore, the simplified expression is 116. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.